Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel here. I've been waiting to make this video for a long time and I want to get it done. So as you know, I have three cars. I have the Turbo Civic, a lowered CR-V, and recently last September I picked up a 2001 Honda Odyssey from Japan, so it's right-hand drive, and it's a pretty sweet little minivan. Honestly, I bought it for a daily and I've never even seen one before until I got mine, so I figured you guys might be interested in it. And so today we're just going to take a look at my 2001 Honda Odyssey from Japan that I imported, and I'm just going to show you guys through the car and talk about what it has and what I like and whatnot. I've put about 25,000 clicks on it in about half a year, and I didn't even drive it for the winter, so I've been driving it quite a bit. So let's get talking about it. So it is a minivan, as you can see. I bought it exactly how it is. It came with the lip kit on it from factory. It's a factory option, and it's lowered on springs, as you can see, with some SSR Viennas on there. So those are super nice. They're 18s. So it's kind of VIP, I would say. Sorry, it's a bit dirty. I do live down gravel, and it's summer, obviously, so there's bugs on the front of it. But yeah, so this is her. Hit a raccoon a couple weeks ago, smashed the fog light, but other than that, she's good, so that's lucky. But yeah, I really love the paint on this thing. That pearl white is just beautiful. As I said, it's dirty, but you can just see it sparkling in the sun. So I do absolutely love the paint and like the lip kit, the wheels, the height it sits at. It's absolutely beautiful. And for a minivan, it's kind of cool to be able to say that it looks sweet. So anyways, yeah, that's I like, you know, it's got the factory tinted windows. It's got those, which are really nice. You can roll the window down when it's raining a bit and still not get any water in the car or whatever. Just nice to have. And coming around to the back of the car, like as you can see, it's different from the Canadian and the American Odysseys. Obviously the back bumper, like the whole car is different, like the headlights, bumpers, everything. The back doors actually open on this one like normal. As you can see, they're not sliders like a normal van, so that's different as well. And but yeah, so this is the back. Again, it's got the rear lip on it, and super bright tail lights, super nice. Again, the paint's just great. So all around, like, it looks really good. I'm super happy with the way it looks, and definitely breaks a lot of necks for sure, because like, again, like, you don't really see them a lot, and it's a minivan that's right-hand drive, so people are kind of tripped out by that. So yeah, we'll come into the car here, show you guys around a bit. Just got her vacuumed here. It's got the super nice Odyssey textured floor mats right through the whole car, front, back, seat, and the very back. It's got these super nice seats here, 2 cup holders there. It's got the nice wood trim. Sorry, it's a bit dusty right now. Again, I live on gravel and I've been working a lot. It's got the nice wood trim. It is automatic. It's a 4-speed transmission, and it's an F23 engine out of an Accord. So it's a 2.4 liter single overhead cam. Makes about 150 horsepower and 150 torque. So again, this is the interior, super clean. As I said, it's got the wooden trim, glove box. This is all your climate control and stuff. It's got AC, obviously, so that's super nice. And show you guys some stuff that I like about it. So when you turn the key on there, turn the air off there, you turn the key on, it has your door indicator, just little stuff that I haven't had before. It tells you which door is open. I have the temperature here, or I have trip A or trip B, and there's my fuel gauge, you know, and your gear when you're in manual mode just pops up on there. But yeah, again, super clean inside. It's got fog lights here. I always run the fog lights because I've never had them before. Again, it's got a little tray there, it's got a little tray there, and yeah, ashtray, a little cubby down there, and again, just that's the passenger side there. Pop the hood for you guys here quick. Again, the engine bay is going to be dusty because I live down gravel and I haven't washed the engine bay actually since I got it, but I'll just give you a quick little peek here. So anyways, yeah, this is the stock motor. It's completely stock. Performance wise, it's a minivan, that's why I bought it for a daily. So yeah, just the factory Honda VTEC motor there. It's not fast at all. Obviously it's a 4-cylinder single overhead cam. in a minivan. And to make it even worse, it's a 4-speed, so that just drags the gears right out. So again, it's not fast at all. So I do not drive it to go fast. That's what I drive the Civic for. And this is the back seat, guys. Again, super clean. Ashtray, little cubby, drink holder. And then you have, you know, the 2 back seats here. And what I think is super neat is the climate control, actually. So when I'm in a friend's car and I'm in the back, normally the people in the front get all the air or heat, and the people in the back are either hot or cold. Here we actually have our own climate control system for the back seat, and as you can see, there's vents right into the back because those seats fold up as well into another 2 seats. So you got vents back there too. So essentially you have vents right through the entire car, which I love. And again, super nice floor mats right through the whole car. And yeah, so there's, you know, there's the back seat, little armrest there. Again, super clean. And then we'll come around to the back here and I'll pop the trunk for you guys. Again, lots of room. Like, we took it to, but yeah, one sec here. So these fold up, I guess. Again, the floor mats, super nice, but that, yeah, see there, folds up into more seats. And again, little storage compartment, little cup holder, and again a cup holder on that side. So that basically shows you guys the van here. Little comparison for size, we took this to Regina, so probably 7 hours driving there and back, a little more. And we had 4 people in it, so 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and then we had about 5 or 6 suitcases plus our shopping bags and 2 BMX bikes, a skateboard and a longboard, and you could still fit stuff in there. So I mean, it is a minivan, it is very big, and it has lots of space, so that's awesome. Comes with a little keyless entry. Again, I haven't had this before, so it's just little things that I pay attention to. It's got a little keyless entry here, so you can lock it and unlock it. And yeah, so this is my daily, and just thought I'd make a video and show you guys it, and hopefully you like it. And if you do, like and subscribe and stay tuned for more content. I'll throw a little edit together of the van and take it to some shows and definitely get some more footage for you guys, because I absolutely love this thing and I'm super fortunate to be able to drive it every day.